To preserve your battery health in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. We can then find the battery options right here and enter battery health. Inside we can find two options that allows us to preserve our battery health. Let's start with charging optimization. From here you'll be able to enable or disable it. When activated, you'll be able to pick either adaptive charging or limit to 80%. So what it does is basically it will put a limit on your phone that it won't be able to charge over 80% of battery. So it will always charge to 80%, and depending on those two options, this one will just preset it to 80%, and that is the limit. Your phone will only charge to 80%, and that way save your battery life. The other option is adaptive charging. So this you should use only if you charge your phone or on regular basis. If you do, your phone will charge normally to 100%, but for most of the time when it's charging, it will try to remain at 80%. So for example, if you're charging your phone overnight, it will begin to charge, then at middle of the night it will reach 80% and stay there for a couple of hours, and right before you're gonna wake up it will resume charging, so it charges back to 100%. So that is the first option that you can use to preserve your battery health. The other option is battery health assistance. It is not well explained here, but what it does is similar to the other thing. It may change how your phone is charging, and that actually also will depend on many things, so you may have different experience with this option. If you like, you can enable it. If not, then simply disable it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.